How to set Spotify song as ringtone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Spotify on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the song you want to set as ringtone. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, which will open all these options. At the bottom, simply scroll down and click on Sleep Timer. After you click on Sleep Timer, you will find this kind of screen. In here, you will find option to set as ringtone, but for that option, you need Spotify Premium. Make sure you have Spotify Premium. After that, you will find it in here. This is how to set Spotify song as ringtone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.